Bucket is in form of a frustum of a cone and its depth is 15 centimeters and the diameters of the top and the bottom are 56 and 42 centimeters respectively. How many liters can the bucket hold? Quite easy. Here, for this you must know the volume of the frustum. That formula is very important. Frustum means what? A bucket which we normally use in our house, where the lower base is smaller and bigger, upper base is bigger. That is frustum. Okay. So volume of this frustum is very important. Pi upon 3 into h into, now this is important, r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2. This you have to remember at any cost. There is no other option. So pi upon 3 into 15 into 28 square plus 21 square plus 28 into 21. Solve this and you will get this answer. For this, multiplications are very important. You should be fast in that. Follow Vedic maths tricks. We have separate videos for them. Go through Vedic maths. It's very fast. So 22 upon 7 into 5 into 1813. Solve it. 28490 centimeter cube. Now this is in centimeter cube. But what we want it in liters. So you need to convert centimeter cube to liters. So what is the ratio? 1 cc equals to 0.001 liters. So this will be what? 28490 cm cube means 28.49 liters. This much water will be held by this frustum. Okay. Next.